Hey everybody, guess what? They're in South Africa. The all new gadgets from Samsung Mobile South Africa are now available for you to go and buy. The question is, are they any better than the previous generation? And what specifically am I talking about? Well, in front of me, I've got the all new Samsung Galaxy Fold 4, the all new Samsung Galaxy Flip 4, and then some interesting wearables. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 5. Which one to buy? Which one is better? Well, let's unpack them and find out. Also, add to the mix some Galaxy Buds 2, the Pro version. Yep, they're all of that and more. Let's unbox and see what your money buys you. So let's start with the Fold 4. Now, the box, as we all know and we've come to love from Samsung, is very minimalist. And by that I mean, well, you open the box and there's the phone. And, well, that's all. It's the phone and that's the phone. Do you get anything else? Hello? You get a device to open the phone and you get a cable. Yeah, that's pretty much in there. There we go. The charger brick, well, you're gonna have to get that yourself, but that's what we've come to know and love from Samsung products, making life a hell of a lot easier. So, yep, that's the box. Oh, there's something so special. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? About taking this plastic off a brand new device. Oh, wow. Well, what can I tell you? Still as solid as ever, feels wise, looks wise. My eyes might be deceiving me, but it looks a little bit narrower. And I think it looks a little bit narrower because the bezels around are being utilized to the max. So it looks a little wider. Did I say narrower? I meant a bit wider. Let's have a look at that. I love this color. This is the green, the color green. What do they call it? They call it green. They call it gray green, and I love it. It's a combination of, well, you guessed it, gray and green. Let's talk facts and figures and specs of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Fold 4. Fold for me, fold. Right, so let's talk form factor. Love it. Absolutely love this device. I've been a massive fan of the foldable devices, from the 2 to the 3 and now to this, the all-new 4. The screen, premium. Really, it fires up, and even if you were to use this device in its closed state, you're getting a premium experience. Everything about the screen is bright, it's legible, it's bigger in terms of the space utilized by the device. It's everything that you'd want from a mobile device. The bonus is that you get to open it up, and when you do open it up, well, there it is. Wow, it's amazing. It never gets, boring opening this thing up, this device up. It's premium. It has a solid opening feel about it. It just feels a little bit more premium than last year's device. And last year's device was the most premium foldable device on earth. They've just gone and updated all the things that needed updating on the previous generation. So let's talk specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes multitasking easier with an all-new taskbar and new version of Android 12. Samsung also delivers better cameras, so a wider front display, a brighter main screen in a sleeker package. The price remains more or less the same. There's just something so cool about using the phone. If you've never ever held one in your hands, pop on down to your nearest cellular outlet. Get one in your hands and just feel what it feels like to open and close the device. It's a premium device. It's a premium feel to the device when you open it and close it. And Samsung are saying that they guarantee the device to over 200,000 open and closes. That works out roughly to 100 a day for the next 5 years. That's a lot of opening and closing. The screen, well, it's huge. 7.6 inches of the main display. It's now brighter with slimmer bezels. There's more apps optimized for the Z Fold 4's large canvas area. There's that 6.2-inch cover display, which is wider and, of course, easier to use. Bigger improvements, well, I can tell you what I look forward to the most on this device is they've improved the camera. What we're noticing is Samsung is adopting a lot of the flagship camera system setups that they release in this year's, for example, S22 Ultra, and they're taking some of that technology across to some of their foldable devices. This year we see a massive improvement in camera quality, a 50 megapixel shooter. That's the main camera. It rivals the Galaxy S22 series and holds its own against, against many others, including the iPhone. All right, so in a nutshell, you've got this device that packs an awesome new Snapdragon processor. It's really quick. The refresh rate is refreshing at 120 hertz. It really makes browsing on the device, using the device to watch content a pleasure. The battery is phenomenal on here as well. The upgraded camera, well, a lot of you will say, well, what's the downside? Well, the downside is it is an expensive phone. I mean, what were you expecting? It's the world's best foldable device, and really Samsung deliver yet again. Can you still see the crease, Ryan, when you open it? Yes, you can. But let me be honest with you. After using the 3, they've definitely improved it on the 4, but you just don't notice it. Within a day or 2 of using the device, the crease just doesn't become, noticeable, and it gets better as you continue using the device. That I can tell you. The only thing I would say is to somebody who's looking to cross over, and by that I mean going from a normal handheld that doesn't fold to a foldable device, it's a massive step. It's a massive lot of technology to kind of comprehend in your brain and get through, but it really is worth it. If you're a high-end user who's using your device, well, for work, for play, for consuming a lot of content, and you want the very best in displays in a device that can be folded to a normal size handset, at the same time have the opportunity to open it up and utilize a massive screen, this is the device for you. Well done, Samsung. It packs a punch.